Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on a Realme 14T. So first of all, we're gonna turn off our device, so we can press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then just move the white circle towards the power off option. Wait for the device to completely turn off, and after that we need to press and hold both the power button and volume down button. So we will need to hold both buttons for a couple of seconds until we actually see the recovery mode. So press and hold both buttons. You will feel a vibration. We will see the Realme logo. In the bottom left corner, we can see the recovery mode for just a couple of seconds. Just keep holding. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. First, we need to select our language, so we can use volume up or down in order to choose the option. I don't think we can, well, we can actually tap on the screen, so never mind, we don't have to use volume buttons. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now, in order to exit the recovery mode, we need to simply choose reboot device and then confirm your choice by pressing OK. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.